stressful. No, that shouldn't be like that. Interesting. Maybe that thing was fallen and that's why I don't recognize this place. Okay, it's that tree, like it's very bright, so it's okay to step on it. Vima, go up front. Oh my gosh. It's such a stress. Vima, do you want to go first? No, go back. Back, Vima, back. Google Maps. Oh, I don't have internet. Okay, somewhere here. No, we're here. We're here. We're here. I don't understand anything. Okay, we should go back, I guess. Oh. Someone bites me on my eyes. I cut my hand. I clearly remember this place, but why it goes there and there is no place which I remember? I don't understand this. Oh, I found another one mushroom. Yellow. Oh. Bima, I don't see you. Bima. Bima, don't scare me. I actually love you. I will watch you when you come home. Let's go. Go up front. Bima, go. Go. Okay. Ladies first. Bima such a gentleman sometimes. Oh. So we come here at first and we back here. Interesting. Mysterious path. Oh. Okay, let's go to the last path. I hope it will be interesting, because that one I did not like. It did not went as planned. Look at my hands, they are all mushrooms. Okay, we will go. Bima. Flowers and mushrooms. Maybe hedgehogs. Anyone? Only dogs? Oh, look at this. So cute mushroom. Can you find more, Bima? It's so yellow. Beautiful. I hear another dog again. I hope no. And mushroom again. Any edible mushrooms? No, I don't want no scrubs. What's that? That looks like from the nest of the bird. Wow, that's good work.